Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you to turn your long form video into the short form and how to use GetMunch AI. So you can access the GetMunch AI on your Chrome or on your browsers. Just go to the getmunch.com. So this is the first page. This is the home page. You're already making great videos. Let's put them to work. So what can you do with Munch? Like, you can set your content and so on. You can learn later. Just tap on get started now. You have to log in first or sign up first, and you can tap on your video in here if I'm not mistaken. So this is the sample. So you can add, but there is a warning, there is a notification here. You can create new project is available only from desktop or computer here. Oh, you cannot watch from the video, I mean watch from the mobile version. So you can watch the samples here. So this is the sample. The morning routine. So this is the video that already generated by GetMunch. More or less your video will be like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.